Today is January 15th, 2026, and I'm trying to describe the problem with my 4-element stepper antenna, disregarding the bird that is on the element up there. We've recently had some very high winds, and that took out 1/2 of the element. You can see there's one to the left, but none to the right as we're looking at it. The tilt plate, this device right here, is pointed far to the left, and that is because of the high winds that we experience. This is the bird that is trying to help me balance the antenna out. Okay, so now one of the things to look at is that the whole antenna, because of the missing element, is down compared to the right side. This should be level. The issue with that, I'll show you on another close-up. So what we're looking at now is the locking arm of the tilt plate, and as the antenna moves from left to right or up to down on the left and right elements, you can see that the locking arm is not clearing the stable part of the tilt plate. And what that means is that as I lower the antenna, tilt the tower over, the elements on the right end up pointing right towards the ground because the tilt plate stays engaged. Excuse my moving around. So you can see that even with the wind, the tilt plate is not clearing that locking thing. So what I have to do is lower the elements to the right. So what I hope to do is put a rope or a line through something to get it just like that wind did. And if that's the case, then when that goes fully out like that, I'm hoping that I can clear that tilt plate lock. I cannot lower the antenna. When the tower tilts, then the elements to the right are aiming at the ground and are locked there by the tilt plate.